Pulp. You can do pulp. Pop. No. Okay. Okay. Pop. Okay. Sit down. What? No? Just wait. Okay. I don't like popping up the balloon with towels. They don't like it. Should I pop the balloon? No. Okay, then I will do it alone. Okay. So I am going to pop the balloon. Then you go outside and I will do it. You don't like? Okay, that's fine. Fine.